Learned something new today. I was talking to a cop. I was getting some breakfast. I drove this down over there. And he said, as far as he cares, this thing's legal in South Carolina. What he told me, though, was I didn't have reflectors on the wheels, or on the front, or on the back. So, he said, because it's still considered a bicycle, if you don't have reflectors and somebody hits you, even if it's not your fault, you can still be held responsible for not having the proper reflective safety equipment on your bicycle so that the motorist could see you. So, I learned that today, and I mean, why not? So, I got my reflectors on the tires. I put one under my headlights and one in the back. Now I asked him, I said, this thing has lights, you know? And he said it doesn't matter because bicycles all should have reflective safety equipment to the laws of South Carolina. So even if you have a blinking light and headlight on your bike and all that, if you don't have reflectors on your bicycle, the correct ones for the tire, front and back, you can be held responsible for an accident, even if it's not your fault. So, I'm sure every state has some different rule, but there's always rules like that you don't realize. So, I put reflectors on my bike, so, you know, someone strokes out down here or something and hits me, I'm not held responsible, even if it's not my fault. Alright, peace.